how does a development team interact with the end users and customers?
Yeah, I think it's very interesting. I personally feel the more depth of understanding everybody on the team has of their customer, the better products they can build. I've known some startups where what is this? This is a very famous story, but I forget the name of the company, where every time there was a customer call, the phone was kept right in the middle of the development room and it would go off really loudly. And one of the development team members had to pick it up and answer the customer call to figure out what the problem is and then go fix it or automate the process so that they don't get similar calls again. And that phone was right there in the center. So that was a way of helping developers learn. And I think Zappos has this idea where when you join, the development team always has to rotate and be part of customer support. So they actually have to pick up calls and listen to customers. So I think different companies have done it in a different way where they want engineers, the people working on the product, to really understand the pain points from the customer's point of view. And the more you can do it, even better. I've seen startups where they will actually, they have transcripts, like recordings of the customer support calls, and they will review it together as a team with the development team. So just, many different ways to kind of have the development team be more aware of the customer's pain points. So yeah, I think trying to include that into your working process will help even development team members come up with great ideas. Like, hey, I heard this customer say this, so maybe we can build this to automate it so that they don't have this problem in the future. So